Nancy. Welcome to Chow Time. I guess I'm not the only one that's hungry tonight. Hi, quit eating the bird food. I get cravings for Indian food. It's all those great spices they use. And another thing that I came to appreciate after traveling in India was cauliflower. It's on every menu, and I just love the way they prepare it, many different ways. Well, I've got to have Indian food tonight, so here's what I've come up with. A little bit of olive oil and a couple of tablespoons of butter just for flavor in a very large skillet. And this is 4 large boneless skinless chicken breasts that I've cut into chunks. So what I want to do is get this cooking. And I just want to lightly brown it on both sides. Starting to brown up nicely. I love turmeric. I'm going to put 2 teaspoons. I'm also going to put 2 teaspoons of garam masala, which is an Indian spice mixture, and they say that it's different in every single home in India. Let those spices get onto that chicken. Those hungry deer out there only knew about Indian food and how fantastic it smells. Okay, my spices are well entrenched in there, and so now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons heaping of tomato paste and about a cup and a quarter's worth of plain yogurt. They use this in sauces all the time, and it really works. I do not use low-fat yogurt because it doesn't make as good a sauce as whole milk yogurt does. We just work that in. Lower the heat and just let it simmer for about 15 minutes until the chicken is cooked all the way through. And while that is happening, I'm very excited to be making cauliflower crumble. This is about a 1-pound cauliflower cut up into florets, and I'm going to make little teeny tiny little florets. So I take a small sharp knife and just go right under there like that. I just want it to be really tiny. Last one. Okay. There's a thin layer of vegetable oil heating in this pan. So I'm going to add my cauliflower. We're going to fry it. I actually want it to get a little bit brown. It's browning up perfectly, and now is the time when I'm going to add 4 different spices. I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of cumin, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, Here comes the biggie, chili powder. I want this to be spicy, so I'm going to put in 2 teaspoons. And half a teaspoon of salt. Now we're just going to let this brown up until it's crispy. Soup's on. I can't stop smelling this. It's ridiculous. One more scoop. And then these crunchy little spicy bites of cauliflower. I cannot get my apron off fast enough. Wow. I love the creaminess and soothing yogurt sauce on that chicken. And then you get this little hit of the spicy, crunchy cauliflower. This is a winner. This is a good combination. Oh dear, I love this.